Today I want to speak about virtualization software. One of these virtualization software is VMware Workstation Pro 17. Today I want to install one window on this and show you the processor to install. First click on create a new virtual machine. Okay. Typical and custom. I use custom. Okay, click on next. Hardware compatibility. Okay. You can use older version of Workstation. Okay. I click on 17. Okay. Click on next. There is a limitation and compatible products. Click on next. Installer disk. You can install from disk or ISO. I click install from ISO, browse. Okay. We can use any other ISO. Okay. I use ISO of Windows 7 that created before. Click next. Here the path, I change it to H new folder VMware for tutorial. Okay, click on OK, change the name and click on OK. Virtual machine name Windows 10, no, Windows 7. Okay, click on next. Firmware type BIOS or UEFI. BIOS is the older version of UEFI. UEFI is a graphical version of BIOS. Click on next. Number of processor 2. Number of core per processor rate. Click on 2. Total processor core 4. Click on next. Memory for virtual machine. It depends on your memory system. Okay, before click on next, you must know for virtualization the CPU must support, and please go to your support site of the CPU and scroll down. Okay, Cry9 3900. Okay, I came down into virtualization technology for direct I/O. Yes, VMware need to go on BIOS and click virtualization enable. Before it, your CPU must be supported. Click on 2 GB. Okay, click on next. Network connection. Use network connection translation NAT. You can choose another, but the default is NAT. Okay, click on next. Logic source. Select I/O controller. The default or recommended is OK. Click on next. Select this type. IDE is the older version of hard drive. SATA is the newer, and the lastest is SSD and NVMe. I click on SATA. SATA both of hard disk drive, HDD, and solid disk drive support SATA. NVMe is the last version of hard drive interfaces supported. Okay. You can use NVMe in the newer version of laptop or PC, but the older use SATA and IDE. I choose SATA for my laptop. If you have NVMe drive, you can choose NVMe. Okay, click next. Create a new virtual disk using an existing virtual disk with a physical disk. I want to create a new virtual disk. Click on next. Maximum size on disk. This is a hard disk allocation for your Windows. Maximum disk size 60 and recommended size for Windows 10 60. Okay. You can store virtual disk as a single file and or multiple file. Store virtual disk as a single file. Click on next. 60 GB store on one drive, on my H drive. Windows 7.wmdk is the okay. Click on next. Okay. Click on finish. The VMware Workstation disk is created. Press any key. You must press any key. Okay. The logo of Windows appeared. The bottom is VMware tool. Okay, I install it. You can select enter full screen mode if I press this. Okay. Use Ctrl plus Alt to release this. You can use Ctrl plus A to come out of the window. Click on next. Click on install. Okay. The process are starting. Okay, you can choose any version of Windows 7. Okay, I use x64 architecture. Click on next. Click I accept the license term. Click on next. You can upgrade from older version of Windows or custom installation. I use custom. For first time, the hard drive is unallocated space. You must partition it. Click on new and select the size on megabyte and click apply. Okay, create. Okay, one partition is created and another partition is related to system. 483 megabyte free space, total size 500 megabyte. Okay, is related to the system file. The primary is ready to install window. Click on next and click on copy file and getting ready for installation. With VMware Workstation and VirtualBox, you can install OS on OS. Please Ctrl plus A. Okay. Minimize. Okay. The previous windows are here and the installing OS are here. Is the VMware Workstation menu. VM Manage, Setting, View, Full Screen, Exclusive, and Storage Guest, and other things. Virtual Network Editor. Okay. Here the IP of system. Okay, and another option that you can use. Okay, all of the things and setting, preference for settings, memory drive, you can connect a memory drive and other things. Okay, there are settings. Okay, click on OK. Okay. Okay, like installing Windows on the real machine. You can click on restart now. In the Windows, when you see the jump on the screen, the driver card going to install. The video driver card going to install. Windows 7 are very popular and stable. Okay, computer will usually start several times. You see the logo of VMware when you start instead of BIOS. This is a virtual machine. Okay, select the name. You can set a password, change the time zone. Okay, click on next, public home. Okay, home network or public network. The VMware use internet from back OS. I installed Windows 7 on Windows 10 into the virtualization software. Okay, welcome to Windows 7, the version of Enterprise. Okay, jump down your screen resolution. Okay, you can use the screen resolution higher. Okay, okay, this is a one-off expert thing. Before your driver card installed, you can change your screen resolution. Okay, I came back. Okay, when you install Windows, it's hard to work with this resolution. You can choose custom resolution of your monitor. Right click screen resolution and change it to 1920 multiply 1080. This is my screen resolution or higher resolution, and click apply and then click keep it change and click OK. Okay, it's like a similar Windows on the virtualization technology. Okay, click on minimize. Here's my Windows 10 and this is a Windows 7. Okay, the computer and my ISO, memory and CPU and my drive. You can insert USB drive on the VMware Workstation. It's easily, and you can power off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and enter with your Gmail.